division of a monomial with monomial, and binomial with monomial, trinomial with monomial, and division of a polynomial with binomial. Okay. So today we are going to learn how to divide a polynomial with trinomial. Okay. So first of all, we have to bear it in mind that if you divide a polynomial with polynomial, so it is very important that the degree of the divisor should be less than or equal to the degree of the dividend. Okay, the degree of the divisor should be either less than or equal to the degree of the dividend. Okay, so here we will take a polynomial whose degree is 4, x power 4 plus 6x cube plus 6x square plus 2x minus 15. Okay, so the degree of this polynomial is 4. Okay, so this is divided with a trinomial which is x square plus 4x minus 5. Okay, see, you can observe that this is the dividend. The degree of the dividend is 4 and the degree of the divisor is 2. So the degree of the divisor is less than the degree of the dividend. Okay, so it is very important that the degree of the divisor should be less than or equal to the degree of the dividend. Okay, so here the degree of the divisor is less than degree of the dividend. Okay, so how to divide? As usual, first step, the first term of the dividend should be divided with the first term of the divisor. X power 4 is divided with x square. Okay, x square, x power 4, 2, x square times. Okay, x square into this entire divisor, x square into x square plus 4x minus 5, which is equal to x square into x square, x power 4 plus into plus is plus x square into 4x, 4 x cube plus into minus is minus x square into 5 x square. Okay, so this should be arranged under, okay, this polynomial. So bring it, taking the like terms under like terms, x power 4 under x power 4 plus 4x cube under 6x cube, 4x cube minus 5x square. So like terms should be arranged under like terms. Okay, so here we are subtracting. For that we have to change the sign. Here plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. X power 4 minus x power 4 gets cancels. Okay, now x cube, 6x cube minus 4x square, which is equal to 2x cube plus 6x square plus 5x square, which is equal to 11x square. Subtraction is over. Bring down the next term, which is nothing but 2x. Okay, this is the first term. Okay, now step 2. Again take the first term, 2x cube and divide with x square. 2x cube divided with x square. Okay, x square, x cube, 2x times. So keep this 2x here, this 2x into this entire divisor, that is equal to 2x into x square plus 4x minus 5. Now multiply 2x into x square, 2x cube plus 2x into 4x, 2 into 4 is 8, x into x is x square, plus into minus is minus, 2x into 5, which is equal to 10x. Arrange this under this remainder. Okay, like terms under like terms, 2x cube under 2x cube plus 8x square under 11x square plus minus 10x. As usual, subtract. plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. 2x cube minus 2x cube. Definitely the first term gets cancels. Okay. Suppose if it doesn't cancels, that means somewhere the mistake happened. So 11x cube minus 8x square, that is equal to 11 minus 8, which is equal to 3. 3x square plus 2x plus 10x, that is equal to 12x. Now bring down the next term, that is equal to minus 15. Okay. Step 3. First term divided by first term. 3x square by x square. X square gets cancels. So the answer is 3. So here keep 3 here plus 3. 3 into this entire divisor. 3 into x square plus 4x minus 5. 3x square, 3 into x square, 3x square plus 3 into 4x. 3 4s are 12x minus 3 5s are 50. 3x square plus 12x minus 50. See the same polynomial, okay, came here. So as usual it becomes 0. That means plus minus minus plus 3x square minus 3x square gets cancels. Plus 12x minus 12x gets cancels. Minus 15 plus 50 plus 50. So the remainder is 0. So the answer is 12x square plus 2x plus 3. So this is the quotient. Quotient is the answer. Okay. Now verify. Okay. We'll verify this. Okay. With by using what is it? Rule, division rule. So for verification, first of all, here dividend, this is the dividend, okay, which is equal to x power 4 plus 6x cube plus 6x square plus 2x minus 50. Divisor, this is the dividend. Divisor x square plus 4x minus 1. Quotient x square plus 2x plus 3. Remainder is 0 already. Okay. So let's check by using the division rule. Okay. So what is the rule? As you know, okay, dividend. dA, BA, DE and D. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So dividend S, that is the dividend, x power 4 plus 6x cube plus 6x square plus 2x minus 50. Okay. LHS. Now RHS, right hand side. Divisor x square plus 4x minus 5 into, okay, quotient. So divisor is x square plus 4x minus 5. Quotient x square plus 2x plus 3 plus remainder 0. Okay. Now start multiplying. Okay. So that becomes x square into x square plus 2x plus 3 plus 4x into x square plus 2x plus 3 minus 5 into x square plus 2x plus 3, which is equal to x square into x square, x power 4 plus x square into 2x, 2x cube, x square into x cube plus into plus is plus x square into 3, 3x square. This part is over. Now multiply this part. Plus into plus is plus 4 x into x square, x cube. Plus into plus is plus 4 2s are 8. Multiply the numerical quotient with numerical quotient and the little quotient with little quotient. So here numerical quotient is 4. Here the numerical quotient is 2. So 4 into 2 is 8. X into x, x square. Plus into plus is plus. Here only numerical quotient 3. 4 3s are 12. X. Okay. So next minus 5x square. Minus into plus minus 5 2s are 10x. Minus into plus is minus 5 3s are 50. Now this is LHS. We have to equate LHS with RHS. That means we have to bring that LHS is equal to RHS. Now x power 4. Now x cube terms. Here 2x cube, 4x cube. Plus 2x cube plus 4x cube is equal to plus 6x cube. Okay, over. X square term. Plus 3x square plus 8x square minus 5x square. First add 3x square and 8x square, which is equal to 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. 11 minus 5, 6. So plus 6x square over. Now x term. Only x term minus 12x plus 10x. Plus 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. So we can write plus 2x minus 50. LHS x square plus 6x cube x power 4 plus 6x cube plus 6x square plus 2x minus 50. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Okay. So like this, like that we have to divide a polynomial with a trinomial. Okay. And do the verification. Okay. Hope you understood this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep subscribing to Praveen Tutorials. Thank you.